Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over a limits problem using a little bit of conjugates to factor out the denominator and do some more factoring, and we'll get to the final solution. As you can tell, we have a limit of m approaches 0 of m over 2 minus root of m plus 4, and if we plug in 0 into the m's here, we have 2 minus root 4, which is 2 minus 2, which is 0 on the bottom, and we have 0 on the top, so we have an indeterminate form. That does not mean we have no solution, so we still have to factor things out, see what we can do with this, play around with the numbers, and see if we can arrive to the answer. And yeah, so let's dive right in. So we have limit of m approaches 0 of m over 2 minus root m plus 4. The first thing we want to do is we want to notice that there's a minus root at the bottom here. So we want to get rid of the root in the denominator, as we normally should. Just get into more simpler standard form. So we are going to multiply the top. So we're going to multiply the top by 2 plus m root m plus 4 over 2 plus root m plus 4. As you can see, we have a negative sign here and we have a positive sign here. That is the conjugate. So this is basically 1, and we're multiplying by 1 in the form of the conjugate. And let's get to the next step. So we have limit of m approaches 0 of m all over, and then we're going to multiply the top will be 2 plus m plus 4, root of m plus 4, that will be the top, plus m times this numerator here. And then in the bottom we'll have 2 squared, because 2 times 2, so we have 4. And then the middle term minus and plus, the perfect difference conjugate form cancels each other out, so we will have just the square of the second variable. So there'll be square of root m plus 4, which will be just, it'll be, and that will be minus square of root m plus 4 is just m plus 4, and that's in the next form. And then we'll do some algebra the next step to make the denominator a bit more simple and easy. So we'll have limit of m approaches 0 of m times 2 plus root m plus 4, and we'll have 4 minus m minus 4. The 4's cancel out, and we have just limit of m approaches 0 of m times 2 plus root m plus 4 over minus m, and we have the m's that cancel out. This becomes 1, this becomes negative 1, and then we have limit of m approaches 0. We can multiply the negative 1 to the numerator, and it'll be minus 2 minus m plus 4. Now we can just plug the 0 into the m here, which is pretty easy. So we'll have negative 2 minus root of 0 plus 4, which is equal to minus 2 minus root 4, which is equal to minus 2 minus 2, and that is equal to negative 4.